Sweetwater Wetlands Park. I'm at Sweetwater Wetlands Park, and yeah, I haven't been here for probably 3-4 months, and we have a gate here. Later today I'm gonna go and ride a bike too. I have my bike with me, but right now I'm going to check out the birds. Let's see what we can find today. So first I'm gonna check out this section. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's a purple gallinule. What he's doing? Look how he's keeping the wings open. Anyway, it's kind of cool. That's the tricolored heron. Do you hear the least bittern? Again, it calls every once in a while. I saw a limpkin at the end of this boardwalk. There you go. Do you see the limpkin? It's right here. It's going through the vegetation. Line away and gone. He was just calling. Ibises. Pretty cool. Classy ibises. Look how bright and pretty the red-winged blackbirds in the spring. They have that red and yellow shoulder patch. In the spring it turns really bright. Black-bellied whistling ducks. Beautiful. Great blue heron is in hunting mode. Look how he's staring. And I was hoping that he's gonna get something. Hey, look at that, blooming teal. It's way too late for them. I mean, it's kind of late for them. I'm gonna snap a couple of pictures of this one. I'm pretty sure it requires confirmation in eBird. Mottled duck. Yeah, this one is mottled. Mottled duck looks almost just like mallard. But yeah, this one is mottled duck. Beautiful. So now we're gonna do the loop, the smaller loop. It's such a beautiful area. Look at all these wetlands. It's like a bird's paradise. Oh. That's so cool. Great blue heron is standing on the road and staring around. It's itchy, right? Such a beautiful bird. Are you posing for me? Yeah. Look at you. Oh, ew. Graciously walking. Yoink. Huh, you're coming towards me. Just walking by? Yeah, you have a good day. Lots of red-winged blackbirds everywhere. It's actually a beautiful bird. And there we have an Inga. That's pretty cool. Look how it's keeping its wings open. They have to dry themselves up. Look, do you see the protenetary warbler? Way out there in the bare limb. Hop, flew away, was singing. Protenetary warbler. I didn't expect to see that. Woo. Wow, I didn't even see you. I just walked by. That is cool. Whoa, you laid down right middle of the road. And I walked by without seeing you. That is so cool. Wow, he's staring at me. What are you thinking? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ew. Pooping right middle of the road. Clean up after yourself. That is so cool. Yeah, just keep going. Going in. See you later, alligator. Bye. That was such a good sighting. Wow. I didn't even notice it. I was just doing my own thing, looking at the other way, and suddenly I noticed, what's that? Luckily it didn't feel like going after me. I'm too big for him. But anyway, that was such a cool sighting. Look at that. That's so cool. Swallowtail kite. I can still hear the least bittern call. That's a nice long walk. It's a perfect habitat for birds. Gallinos have babies. That's a gallinus, but this one is American coot. Look at this white bill. Most of them leave for summer, but a few stay. And Hinga is trying its wings. That's the female. Look at the brown neck. There it is. Female Anhinga. Whole family of gallinos. The chicks are black, dark, with a red bill, just like mommy. Pretty cool. And when gallinos chicks get bigger, then they look like that. That's a sandal crane. He's really digging. Another great blue heron. It's kind of tucked in, waiting for its next meal to show up. Hey, look at that. There's the alligator. Let me show you. He's just resting there, mostly underwater. There we have a nice viewing platform. So, what do we have here? Oh, another alligator is coming up. Let's see if he's coming actually all the way. He still keep coming. See how the tail is left and right, left and right. It's coming closer and closer. Comes straight towards me. Wow, it's so cool. Now we can see the whole alligator. Full profile. He's just passing by. Look at that. It's keeping its limbs close to the body. Okay, you have a good day. It's not a big one. It's maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feet or 6 feet. Let's continue our journey. So now I'm in the furthest point. Hopefully I get some new birds. I already got at least 40 different species. It's such a beautiful area. Look at those flowers. These are beautiful. Wow, really pretty. They are everywhere. Blooming all over the place. Oh, that is scary. That's the alligator, but where is it? Oh, I see him. There you are. Look at that. Wow. That is so cool. He just keeps going. That's it. That was a cool show. Wow. How did you like that? That's kind of scary. Scary boys. That's how they sound in the spring. Because it's a mating season right now. So they are pretty loud. Oh, that's a baby one here. Look at this baby. That is so cool. Where's the mommy? Mommy is over there, I can hear it. Another side of the road. It's so cool how he's looking at me. He's just foot long but already having such a mean look. Going away. Going away. I'm walking back now. Okay, I'm back. Whew, it's getting hot. Anyway, I'm back now. I did 3.5 miles and I saw 40 species of birds. Now I'm gonna go and eat lunch, and after that I'm going to bike ride. I'm gonna do the hot on Gainesville trail back and forth. So it's gonna be like 30-40 miles. Anyway, I'm gonna go and eat lunch now, and after that I'm going to ride a bike. That's gonna be another separate video, otherwise it would get too long. So stay tuned with that, and if you enjoyed today's walk here in Sweetwater Wetlands, then click that like button. That helps me in YouTube algorithms. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button. It helps me to grow my channel. And see you in the next video.